Now we need to talk about simplifying an expression with a zero exponent. We said when we did with exponents, let's say we had something like this, 10 x to the fifth y squared divided by 5x cubed y squared. We said I divide coefficients, I get a 2. I subtract exponents, I get x squared. Then we said we can think of this two different ways. Anything over itself divided by itself will cancel to the whole number 1. So 1 times 2x squared is just 2x squared, so the y squareds cancel out. If I think of it exponent-wise, 2 minus 2 is 0. So anything to the 0 exponent will equal the whole number 1. So if I have this, 3 to the 0 power, it equals 1, because anything to the 0 power equals 1. If I have negative 3 to the 0 power, the exponent just refers to the number and not its sign. So this means 3 to the 0 power is 1, so I'm going to get negative 1. So it can be a little confusing. If this is in parentheses, this whole thing, because it's a grouping symbol, goes to the 0 power. That's 1. That's different. Then let's say I have a letter to the 0 power. That's 1. If I have a coefficient in front, 5x to the 0 power, the 0 only refers to the x. So 5 times 1 would be 5. It's different from this, because that means this whole quantity to the 0 power is 1. So it's a little confusing. So let's just do a couple more. Let's say I have 5 to the 0. Let's make it negative 4 to the 0. Negative 7 to the 0. Let's make it y to the 0. All right, any expression to the 0 power is 1. So my answer is 1. This negative 4 is inside parentheses, so the whole thing to the 0 power is 1. This one is the only time the 0 power does not affect the negative. So it means 7 to the 0 power, which is 1, but I get a negative 1. Y to the 0 power is 1. That's it.